Hello testers. The last session we have seen refactoring some of the files. Now let's continue with the same. So in this video, we are gonna create some pages. So let's try doing the page objects creation, right? So in this particular, step definitions, you could see we are writing everything here, right? So we can make use of page object model and then we can call those page objects over here, right? So let's try creating it. Home file. Let me call it as homepage.ts. Same thing, you can create another file, loginpage.ts, right? So let's try creating here. Class is going to be login page, right? Constructor as of now, no, but we will be passing the page object, not this page object. This is a page object, get page. We'll be passing it. Let it be as it is now. What else we have? Login page. Can we say go to? This go to will try to keep it in the core lab itself in the future. Time being, let it be here. We will try to combine these two steps, plug into application, right? So I can simply say async function. I can simply write log into application, into application. Take these things, Control X, and then paste it. And then get page. Either you can directly import or else you can pass it in the constructor. Let's try doing this as a constructor. Page of type page, right? Now error has no initialization. Okay, we can do that, not a problem. This dot page equal to, here we will be passing the page, right? So that page we can assign it over here. Page. This is done. What else? What is wrong with this? This is done. This is done. Why this error? Async. No, there is something wrong. 1 second. Async function should be fine. No need to use to function keyword. So now instead of get page, I can simply say this dot page. Right? Same, replace everywhere. Done. Right? So we simply create a login page class and then declared a variable, right? So now let's do the same thing for the home page as well. This part we have done. We have set Control X and we have removed it. What else? Or else we can also create one more method. Go to login page, async, go to login page, take this part, Control X. Generally, it's not recommended to add this keyword or this statement here. Doesn't make any sense, but time being, let it be. We'll try to push this to the core lib. Time being, let's try to keep it over here. In future, we can remove it. This should be this dot page, this dot page. We are good over here. Same thing, this dot page. Right? That is done. We'll try to fill it up. After that, what else we have? We need home page. So here, home page seems to be not having much things. Logout we can do. Okay. It doesn't make any sense to add the logout in the home page. We are in a wrong async logout. This is going to be the start page. Same thing, copy paste. That's it. So now this part, let's try to add in the home page. Generally, we should not write any expect statement in the home pages. I mean, in the page objects. The assertion should go in the test, right? It's a recommended way. You can write this statement, expect statement in the home page also, but it doesn't make any sense, right? So always keep your page object simple and write it only the flows, not the assertions. Assertion part should always take in your step definitions. I mean, in your given when then, not in the home in the page objects. So anyway, let's continue. Class. Let me call it as a home page constructor. Good. We can copy paste this part. To be honest, this entire thing we can copy paste it. Done. This is you can simply import followed by, I think, let's take these two parts. We will remove it. Async, let's say some ABC right now. Let me get some good name into my mind. What else? Okay, we can say wait for edit account information. Right? So this should be this dot page. This dot page done. Same thing. This dot page. Expect we have to import done. Right? So we have cleaned up entire login spec and homepage spec, and we have moved them to page objects, homepage and login page. Right? So now we need to call them accordingly. Right? So how can we call when the user is on the login page? That means we have to create an object for this, right? So we can simply say let login page is of type login page. If no, okay, if no recommendations, nothing to worry about. We can simply say import, and before that we have to export, right? Export default. That's it. Same thing, apply for login page. It's done, and then all I can do is import. Sorry, import. Here we should be importing from where? Pages. It should be login page. Login page. Okay, seems like we have already done this one. Let me remove this. I think we are good. So now here login page equal to new login page, and we have to pass the page. So we have get page already. You can simply pass that. Right, this is done. Here you can say login page dot login to application. Right, this step is done. And when the user enters login details, that means this is a method login to application. This is login. Go to login page. My bad. This should be here. After that, login page dot login to application. Right? What else? We made some mistake again. That's it. Yeah, this page is done. I think we called everything. Logout. Let's call the logout here itself. Or we are calling here. That's okay. So now here, what else? Import from which module? Pages. which page? We want home page and login page both, right? So it should be home page, sorry, home page, let home page of, of type home page, right? Here it should be home page equal to new home page, then get page, right? So now home page dot wait for edit account information, and to not to make it appear to anyone, make it as a private. Same thing, go to here and add this one as also private, right? This is done. What else? Need to call the logout method, but that logout method is present under the login page. So what we have to do? Go to home page spec. We have to import login page also. Import login page from this page. Same thing. Let login page of type login page. Simply say login page equal to new login page, get page, and then login page dot logout, right? So I think we are good. So all we have done in this session is simply we created the page objects because we want to ultimately go for the page object model, right? So what we have done, created a constructor, and this is what we work with, right? Page. So we initialized it because from the spec pages, we have get page. That is what it is coming from the core library. So we can pass it. I know you can ask me, why can't we initialize here itself directly? No, it's not possible, right? Why it is not possible? But if you write this statement here, new home page of get page, right? There may be a chance that this page might have not initialized, this variable may be undefined, and if you know the hosting concept in JavaScript, it may become a problem, right? So we don't want to do that. And upon the class load itself, if this particular variable got initialized, so definitely the page is going to be undefined. That's what hosting is all about. So we should be careful with the JavaScript hosting. It's a TypeScript as well. The same thing is applicable for the TypeScript as well. So now here in the same first step of this particular entire file, I'm just initializing it. Right? And then you can make use of it anywhere. This home page, you can make use of it anywhere. I think we are good. If you run the program, there should not be any surprises. Let's try running it and see. Okay, dir cd cucumber js. You run it again. npm test. Hope it should go through now. Okay, so many surprises. Okay, first it will go to, maybe my frame is detached. Target page is already been closed. That's what I was saying, right? So we should be careful. So go over here, home page has nothing to do it with. Login spec, core spec is good. Login page equal to new login page. So which file will be executed first? User is on the login page. Okay, user is on the login page. We'll try to put the debug point over here and see what is the issue. npm test. No, it should be terminal of JavaScript to debug. Okay, cd cucumber npm test. Okay, browser is launched, which is good. No issues in that. Now it will go here, page. Page is having the variable, which is good. Okay, we are okay with that. Home page. So we came from home page and try keeping it over here. Login page, go to login page. Next, try to keep your page. It is having the values, which is we are good. Continue. This dot page is having the value. Next, next. No, what is wrong here? Continue on next page. It went to login page again. We are making some mistakes which we are not able to catch it up. So let's find out that again. There is something wrong. Did we keep everything in track? Wait, home page. First step would be user is on the login page. Okay, user is on the login page. User is on the login page. It should log in. Go to login page. Let's try to keep the debug point here itself and see what is wrong with it here. npm test. Okay, this dot page is having this one. So it is there. So we are good. We don't need to worry about the page object, which is being initialized. Continue. Some mistake. We have to recover from it. Okay. Did you get what is the reason? Because we make always silly mistakes in the especially TypeScript based things, right? So we have to write always awaits. If you don't write await, you are gone. So don't make these silly mistakes again, especially me. So let's try running it. It should work. The await keyword is missing. And this is multiple times that happens with me, especially forgetting the await keyword. Yep, no need of any debug points. It should go through now. Yeah, there's a costly mistake we made in this video. Login, edit, log out, continue, Same thing, it will continue. Nothing to worry about because we made only the small mistake, not a small mistake. A small mistake lead to the bigger one. So should be good. Yeah. Right. So what is the mistake we made? We forgot this await keywords. Right. So it should be in sync. Otherwise, you cannot continue with your execution. It's because this is async method. So definitely you have to be await. So I hope you know about async await, or else you can check out my JavaScript videos. So in this video, what we have done, simply we created home page, login page objects, and then we initialized the page so that we can make use of them directly. And good thing is that you don't need to initialize because anyway we are exporting from here. You can simply say get page and you can make use of it. It depends upon you if you want to go for that in that fashion, or you want to have your own variable and assign it from the spec files and make use of the same page in the same page object. It's your wish how you want to make use of it. Same thing login page also. Whatever we have written in the spec files, we simply put them onto the home page and login pages, page objects. So here we initialized them and then we have called them. So mistake we made is await keyword. We would have not missed. Okay. So I hope the page objects are clear. If not, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.